Linking your bank account to your PayPal account enables you to easily transfer funds between PayPal and your bank, facilitating transactions and withdrawals. Here's how to link your bank account to PayPal. Log in. Sign into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Access Wallet. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet tab or section, usually found in the top menu bar or homepage. Link bank account. Look for the option to link a bank account or link a card and click on it. You may also find this option under bank accounts or payment methods. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, including the account holder's name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that the information provided is accurate to avoid any issues with linking your account. Confirm verification. PayPal will verify your bank account by making 2 small deposits into your bank account. Check your bank statement or online banking to find these deposits. Verify bank account. Once the deposits appear in your bank account, return to your PayPal account and confirm the amounts of the deposits to verify your bank account. Complete linking process. After successfully verifying your bank account, PayPal will notify you and your bank account will be linked to your PayPal account, allowing you to transfer funds between them seamlessly.